Hello, my name's Marty Marr from Great Ocean Properties. Welcome to 24 Camp Road here in Anglesea. Camp Road is a 440 square metre vacant allotment. It's not so much what it is, it's where it is. You can walk straight into town. It's a flat walk into town, gives you shops, cafes, hotel, bowling club, walk further onto the beach. It's a perfect spot for that. It's also got great access to the river precinct here, so you can walk down to the river, across the bridge to Coogoorah Park. What a beautiful morning walk. If you're looking for a blank canvas to build your dream home, that's maybe a lock up and leave situation, if you want to head north for winter, then this is the perfect one. The size is right for that. You can potentially build 3 stories subject to council approval. If this sounds like it might be for you, please feel free to contact the team at Great Ocean Properties. We'd love to help you.